What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can withdraw money from Revolut X. Also, if you guys want to grab some crypto related bonuses, I will leave some relevant links in the description below. And now let's get started. So once you open up your Revolut X app, you will be on your home screen right here. Now from your home screen you should be able to see some free funds, just like these US dollars right here, which we would be able to withdraw. Now to withdraw these funds, all you need to do is just click on the withdraw option right here and select fiat, which means a state issued currency. So we will just continue and select US dollars. And now we would need to input the amount that we want to withdraw. So let's go with $1 and click confirm. And there we go. It's pretty instantaneous. So I just withdrew $1 from Revolut X to Revolut. So at the moment they only offer withdrawals from Revolut X to the usual Revolut app. And now let's just go over and check if those funds arrived on our Revolut app. And there we go. Here on my US dollar account, you can see the transfer from Revolut X to Revolut in the amount of $1. So that's guys how you can withdraw money or funds from the Revolut X app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.